Midhiero mar laro chula ma Migingo ne obedo achiel kuom penjo manopedhi e nyim Aden Duale mageto lemo mar bedo jatend migao mar jolweny. Duale wacho ni en owuon oikore mar medo tiyo gi okenge mag chike neno ni Kenya oyudo ratiro mare wi chula no ma osekelo ywaruok e kind piny Kenya kod piny Uganda.
There are people being harassed at the Lake Victoria by Ugandan Defense Forces, fishermen. Fishermen are unable to fish in that area where we represent. The Ugandan forces are all over the lake. What plans does he have to defend Kenyans or fishermen in nature, not only pastoralists and camel herders?
Mr. Speaker, on Lake Victoria, I think I answered that question. It is just like the one of Migingo. Now we have an MOU, KDF have an MOU with the Ugandan Defense Forces, and the boundary committee is handling, and the International Boundaries Office at the Office of the President. Now that we have an active, sober, energetic president and a workaholic president, a lot of the many issues Kenyans were facing, I can assure you, will be resolved, including you will fish without no hindrance under the leadership of William Ruto. People will fish, farmers will have fertilizer, and cattle farmers, herders, pastoralists will have peace to herd their cattle. That I can assure you, because that is what we stand for as a coalition.